My name is Scott Robertson, and today we're going to walk you through the new 32E Explorer Ocean Alexander. This is our world debut of this vessel. As you walk aboard, you're going to notice that we have a very large area on the 32E that accommodates a 16 to 18 foot hard bottom inflatable as well as a jet ski. Just forward of this platform is going to be our beach club. As you make your way into the beach club, it's fully air conditioned, offers a large screen television as well as a refrigerator and an ice maker. One of the unique features about this area is we have a davit just over 2,500 pounds to pull your tender and your jet ski off. But you also have a hydraulic swim platform that's been integrated into the back part of the transom, so you can use it as a beach club area or you can actually use it for your jet ski. With these fold down wing doors, you'll be able to first take your beam from just under 22 feet to over 26.5 to 27 feet in width. So as we make our way up to the aft deck seating area, you're going to notice with this just under 22 foot beam that there's an enormous amount of space here and seating. And then all the seating is pointing to the aft, and you've got a great view through the glass of the beach club, so you can see the water when you're anchored out. So as you make your way from the aft deck into the salon, you're going to notice we have an electric door that brings you in, as well as on the port and starboard sides across from the dining room. But this area here, we offer a sink, nice little bar right here, refrigerator with an ice maker built into it. And on the starboard side, as you walk in, you have storage behind this wall. So just forward of this, we do an L-shaped design couch on your port side, as well as a second couch on your starboard side to give this a great conversation area. We have an electric television that falls from the ceiling and comes down here. So just forward of your salon is a dining room for 10. Forward of the dining and salon is our galley. This galley, you can enclose the door so a chef can have privacy in here, but this galley is very well equipped. Full refrigerator, freezer. We actually have additional freezer space. We have a pantry, pull-out pantry here. We have an ice maker, trash compactor, dishwasher. Very, very well organized area in here. Great storage, L-shaped on this side for plating for the guests. But this whole area in here is a very, very nice galley for the chef. So as we work our way out of the galley, we're gonna move forward. And one nice feature we put in here was a nice wine cooler right across from the galley and very close to the dining room. Just forward of that will be your day head on this level. This boat has been equipped with 2 day heads, one here and one on the flybridge as well. So just forward of this area now is your on-deck master. You got floor-to-ceiling windows in here. Your head is on the exact same level as the stateroom. You're not having to go downstairs. But we have a king-size bed. We got 3 closets in this room with a safe. It's one of the nice features is there's a lot of storage for closet space throughout this boat. This closet here, you have one on the port and starboard side. We also have drawer storage underneath the bed, on both sides of the bed as well as at the foot of the bed. As you make your way into the master head, a couple nice features in here is dual sinks. You also have a very large mirror with backlit lighting, and also when this area steams up, you've got a heater built into here to actually take that away. On this side over here, you're gonna have a full walk-in shower with a rain head, and here's a jacuzzi tub as well. And then really nice natural light coming through this window with black shades that come down as well. As we make our way down the stairs, we have 4 guest staterooms below. In the bow, we're gonna have our main VIP. So make your way in here. You got great closet space in here. You got practically a king-size bed, but nice walk-arounds. Over here on your port side, you're gonna have a couch, and you're gonna have really nice drawer storage here. And then of course there's an in-suite head and shower. So as we make our way forward, these 2 rooms here are identical, but they're gonna be your other 2 VIPs. So on the starboard one here, you got a queen-size bed, but again, full walk around, real nice natural light with the large windows, and also your own private head with in-suite shower. Now let's make our way over to the other VIP stateroom here. This again is a queen-size bed, full walk around, plenty of closet storage, and also your own private in-suite head and shower. And you'll notice that these showers, plenty of room, great height in here, but there's just a lot of room they built into these. So just forward of these two rooms is going to be your fourth stateroom down below. And this one has 2 single beds, but these beds do go together, which is really nice. And underneath here is another nightstand. So as you slide this bed over to connect with this one, you're going to have another nightstand there. And then of course this one, stateroom, also has its own private in-suite head as well. So between all the 4 staterooms down here, you're going to have an additional room in here, which is really nice for traveling. This boat's equipped with 2 washer and dryers. One of them is down here and one's in the crew, but we also have additional freezer space. But this is a great laundry room. And then for your guests, you'll have a refrigerator down here as well, and this whole area for all 4 staterooms. As we go up to the bridge, this has a really large enclosed sky lounge. You're going to notice the big windows. You're going to notice a huge couch. We have a drop-down TV over here to our starboard side. We do have a full walk-behind bar. This bar is equipped with a refrigerator and ice maker as well. But one of the nice features on this level is we put another day head. So this boat has 2 day heads equipped with it. So just forward of this area is the helm. This is where the captain goes, and we got 3 screens up here. We got bow thruster, we have stern thruster. This boat's equipped with 1900 mans, and it's got twin 40 kW generators. We also are equipped with stabilizers that are 0 speed. So just after the sky lounge on the fly bridge, you're going to have a very large outside area here. You've got sunbathing back here. You've got a hot tub that can be a cool tub as well. You're going to have C-shaped seating here over on your port side. And then this over here on your starboard side, this area we have a grill. Again, we have another refrigerator over here as well. Also take notice of the teak. So instead of just having teak just going straight, we actually have a design in the floor just to give it some unique shape to it. Forward of the sky lounge, you're going to have really nice bow seating, C-shaped up here, as well as a very large sun pad. And this area also is set with recliners. So if you want to face forward while the boat's running, all 3 of these will recline. And then on the opposite side, if you're up here with the guests, those 3 right there will recline up as well. We also have a shade that goes in here with carbon fiber poles, and you can keep this area shaded. So the 32E is equipped with full walkarounds on the side decks. As we make our way to the aft deck, this door right here is going to take you down into the cruise quarters, as well as access to the engine room. We're down in the cruise quarters now. This cruise quarters is equipped with 3 staterooms for 5 crew. Nice dinette area here. We got a refrigerator and a freezer, a microwave, and your second washer and dryer. To start with the captain's stateroom, oversized single bed here, but a full private walk-in shower and head. The other 2, we got 2 single beds in there. These 2 staterooms have their own dedicated head and shower, and then we have another crew room that'll fit 2 more. So just aft of this area, it's going to be a working area. You got a tool chest in here. This is access to the beach club. So if you're out back here and you've got wet gear, we can hang it in this area as well and let it dry. So just forward of the crew is going to be your engine room. So in this area, you've got twin 1900 mans. And on both sides, you've got a 40 kW generator on your port side and one on your starboard side as well. This area is equipped with a water maker, your hydraulics for your bow and stern thruster, as well as we have an Atlas system built into this boat, which will give you the ability to plug this boat in and have power in any country that offers 50 hertz. Well, thanks for making the time to walk through the world debut of Ocean Alexander's latest Explorer model, the 32E. My name is Scott Robertson, and my cell is 727-638-7890 if I can answer any questions for you. Thank you.